Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to fix the issue of scanned documents being too large after the iOS 18 update. Follow these steps and let's get started. First, scanning has changed a bit in the Notes app. Here's what you need to do. Open the Notes app and select any note you want. Instead of tapping the camera icon like before, tap the clipboard icon. You can scan document selected from there, and first of all, at the top of the screen, tap the three dot menu and select grayscale, and instead of the default mode you can select any other folder. This will reduce the file size because grayscale scans take up less space than color scans. While this isn't complete fix, is a great workaround to make your scanned documents smaller. Another thing to keep in mind, Apple may release an update to fix this issue. To check, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there, then tap the software update option from there and see if a new update is available. As of now, on iOS 18 3.1 it hasn't been fixed yet, but keep an eye out for future updates. That's it for now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.